Welcome back. The Konkan Railway Police on Monday arrested Jeevan Bhai Dhawi, the Chokwo thief from Surat in Gujarat, on a complaint lodged by a Mumbai passenger. The accused Jeevan Bhai and his gang allegedly used to loot passengers in train by offering spurious chocolates, which used to make the consumers unconscious. JMFC Madgaon has remanded him of 4 days police custody. Bharat Salwan, a passenger of Mumbai-Goa train, has registered a complaint to Madgaon Konkan Railway Police of having been robbed in the train by 4 men by offering him a spurious chocolate which made him unconscious. The troop robbed a cell phone and gold ornaments amounting to 1,30,000 rupees. Accordingly, the IMEI number of the robbed phone belonging was put under surveillance. The phone was traced in Surat, Gujarat. The Konkan Railway Police went to Surat and apprehended the accused. The accused is being interrogated for recovery of the robbed property.
Accused name is Jeevan Bhai Dhawi. He is resident of Surat, Gujarat, and we produced him before the JMC Margaon, and he has been remanded to 4 days police custody. And we are interrogating him for recovery of the property as well as the 3 accused persons.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. The former President of India, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, will inaugurate 18th International Congress of Rural Health and Medicine in Goa. It will be held in Kala Academy from 10 to 12 December. CM Manohar Parrikar will grace the function as guest of honor. President of International Arbitration Centre, Advocate Ramakant Khalap, and President of International Association of Rural Health and Medicine, Dr. Ashok Patil, briefed the media on the conference.
And request you to collaborate with all of us in the successful organization of this 18th Congress. It will be inaugurated by none other than India's one of the greatest scientists and our former president, Dr. Abdul Kalam.
Dr. Patil briefed about the program schedule.
The International Association of Rural Health and Medicine was founded in 1962, and we have national chapters and we have regional chapters, and we have this conference once in every 4 years in a different continent. 4 years ago, the same conference was held in Colombia in South America. Before that, 8 years ago, it was held in Japan, and it goes on.
Our video journalist from Panji, Omkar Farari. And now news from sports. Not many would know Manvinder Bisla for his domestic cricket prowess, but those who watch the I.P.L final will surely identify this wicketkeeper batsman. Bisla will play for Goa this season in first-class cricket. Although the I.P.L has turned him into a sort of a celebrity, Bisla denies that I.P.L has superseded Ranji Trophy. Bisla also believes Goa can go to next level in Indian domestic cricket circuit.
We have with us Manvinder Bisla, who has made a reputation of being quite a good hard-hitting batsman with Kolkata Knight Riders in the I.P.L. What do you think is basically I.P.L has superseded the Ranji, the importance of Ranji?
No, I don't think so. Like Ranji Trophy is crucial for everyone. If you like to represent your country, Ranji Trophy is like very important for you to perform there, and then you can get recognized. So for me, it's like Ranji Trophy is must.
Saying that you haven't played first-class cricket in the season gone by, so what was the reason?
I used to play for Himachal, but I didn't get a chance to represent them last year. So it was too late for me to change the side. So it was like, it's okay, I had a rest for 1 year. I'm feeling fresh.
So you'll be very hungry now that you're going on the ground in the Ranji Trophy and wanting to prove yourself?
Yeah, obviously, like it's a test for me also, like, and I would like to do well for my state, and so that Goa can go up.
Bisla praised the cricket facilities here and feels that the boys are putting in good practice ahead of this week's Ranji opener.
We are doing very well in the practice, like it all depends how we do in the matches. So like practice wise we are doing very good, and the facilities over here are very good. All the lads over here, they are really working hard, and like working hard to the goal of going up, and like Doda is very hard-working guy. He's always working hard with and talking with the boys. So hopefully we will do well.
Bisla, who hails from Haryana, stressed on the importance of well-gelled unit for a state to go to the next level in domestic cricket.
It takes just one season for any team to go up and do consistently well. So it's a matter of time, or you can say that it's a matter of matches, that the team gels well and start performing, and it can go up. It's a matter of just 1 or 2 matches. So I don't think that there's a lack of talent here or something like that. Boys are very good, like they are working very hard, and so just if we do well in matches, in the upcoming matches, I think we can be sure go up.
27-year-old Bisla still has the ambition to get into Team India, although it seems that he might have missed the bus.
My dream is obviously to play for my country, and like to play for my country, I have to do well. Like I'm trying to do well and I'm working hard. That's why I'm playing for Goa, and I obviously I'm hoping that this season goes well for me, and so that I can represent my country.
Looking at the scenario, basically those who have gone on to play for the country over the last few years, they have made it in the national setup at around the age of 23, 24 or even younger than that. So considering that scenario, do you have any comment rather that you still have the ambition?
Yeah, still, why I'm not that old. That 27 is, I think, I'm mature enough. Like I'm at the right age to represent my country.
A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Omkar Farari from Porori.
In a major encroachment drive carried out by Madgaon Municipal Council from Tuesday, more than 100 encroachments were removed within an hour's time. The drive witnessed tension as traders led by the Market Association president get out the municipal authorities and tried to stop the drive. Municipality has started market cleanup drive. Goods of more than 10 lakh rupees were seized in the drive. And now, if you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.